What is Pareto analysis, and how does it help in proactive problem solving? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a long list of problems, unsure of where to start? This is where Pareto analysis comes in handy. It is a decision-making technique that shows how a small number of causes often lead to a large portion of the effects. Specifically, it suggests that about 80% of outcomes come from just 20% of the causes. This principle can be a game changer in your job search and professional development. In the context of work and employment, Pareto analysis helps you identify which issues or tasks have the most significant impact on your success. By focusing on these key areas, you can direct your efforts where they will make the biggest difference. This is especially useful when you are facing multiple obstacles during your job search. To use Pareto analysis, start by listing out the problems you are encountering. For example, you might identify issues like lack of skills, poor networking, or ineffective interview techniques. Next, measure how often these problems occur or how much they impact your job search. Once you have this information, rank the problems from most to least significant. A visual tool called a Pareto chart can help you see these rankings clearly. By concentrating on the most critical issues, you can avoid spreading your resources too thin. Instead of trying to tackle every minor problem, you can focus on the few that will yield the largest improvements. For instance, if you discover that enhancing your interview skills is the most significant factor in landing job offers, you can prioritize that area. This targeted approach can lead to quicker progress and greater success. In the workplace, businesses also use Pareto analysis to optimize their operations. They identify top-performing products or major sources of costs, allowing them to improve productivity and profitability. Similarly, as an employee, you can apply this method to manage your tasks effectively. Focus on the responsibilities that provide the most value to your role. Overall, Pareto analysis supports proactive problem solving by helping you prioritize issues based on their impact. It allows you to allocate your time and resources efficiently. This method also reduces guesswork by relying on data-driven decisions. By clearly communicating which issues need immediate attention, you can drive significant improvements in your job search and career development. Embracing a growth mindset is essential during this process. By focusing on manageable, high-impact changes, you can overcome obstacles effectively and build momentum toward your goals. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed by challenges, remember Pareto analysis. It can guide you to the most impactful solutions, making your journey to job search success smoother and more effective.